See the virus. I just got the Nassik 5-inch canister shells from Phantom Fireworks. I can't wait to shoot. There's an unboxing of this. "5-inch long-lasting Nassik effect." There's the. Looks like a pretty good solid fiberglass tube. Some shells. Got all of the effects listed on them. Heavy shell, a plastic top. This one is green wave with Nassik willow. Let's see what this tube looks like. That's pretty cool. 5-inch Nassik can shells. Yep, there's the unboxing. I'll shoot them later on. Stay with the virus. I'm glad you watched my video. Like and subscribe. Next year, 4th of July, it's gonna be pretty dang good. I'm gonna shoot some more. New Year's, probably the Labor Day. Yeah. Stay tuned. Just get better.